Let's make crispy potato bites. They're super easy and so yummy.
Now I will grate the potatoes. Now I'm adding salt, oregano, chili flakes, black pepper and cornstarch. Mix until it becomes a soft dough.
No fancy chef skills needed, just mix with love.
Roll the dough on the chopping board. Cut it into tiny squares and rectangles. They don't have to be perfect. Homemade means every bite is unique.
Now I'm making cute fork marks on each piece. They look extra fancy now. Half goes in Ziploc bag for tomorrow's school tiffin.
Future us will say thank you. The other half goes into the freezer for 15 minutes.
Oil is hot, time for frying. The potato bites are frying until they are golden brown and crispy.
Look at those bubbles, they are getting so crunchy.
Mom takes them out and places them on tissue paper to remove extra oil. Crispy outside, soft inside, 100 out of 10.
Serve hot with green chutney.
Homemade snacks always taste better.
Bye, like, subscribe, and see you in the next recipe.